So it's the middle of April and it's time to do something with these studs on your tires. Now if you're like me, you don't always have money to go spend on tires, replacing your winter tires. In this case I bought winter studded tires and they were used, so they're pretty inexpensive, and it cost more money to put these aside and to buy new all seasons to replace them than to just pull the studs out and keep rolling on these winter tires just without studs. As you can see, this side has a lot more studs than the other side, so we're just going to pluck these studs out and I'll show you how. So basically we just got a simple little flathead screwdriver. We're going to go after one of these here little studs. There we go. Got a little stud out. Alright, so we got the stud out. Just wanted to show you what it looked like. It has a flat spot on the bottom. That's what keeps it in the tire. In the past, I've used needle nose pliers, and it's much harder to get them out with needle nose pliers. It eventually hurts your hand, and you can only do so much, and you got to take a break, even using gloves. So this pulls them out super easy. Just a common little screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. So I hope that saves some money for some of you guys out there. If it did, leave a comment down below, leave a like, something like that. Have a great day. Bye bye.